right, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. So just a short lesson here. Cupid, that is a Roman god of love, and he used a bow this time. And when referred to Cupid's bow nowadays, we have the upper line of the upper lip that is forming a bow, and therefore we have a song from Olly Alexander with the title Cupid's Bow. That's what he means and what he refers to. So let's go into this song and we're gonna learn it with a capo set here on the 3rd fret. All right, so with that we have a couple chords to go over. I believe they are 7, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 7 chords. So let's start in here with the A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C. That will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. You place your index finger on the 1st fret. You cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have G as the next chord. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And so far we have all the chords to handle the verse and chorus play, but then comes the bridge part and we need to learn another 2 chords. So we're going to continue with E. Okay, so imagine you had the E minor, then you just add the 1st fret G string. That's it. That's the only difference between E minor and E. And then the final chord is B, and I do that with 2 fingers placed like this as bars. The first finger is the index finger. You place that on the 2nd fret and cover 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And the second one, I place my ring finger on the 4th position. What we are aiming for now is to push down the 4D, 4G, and 4th B. And then I avoid the last E string there when I come to the strumming parts. So I play in the mid area of that. If you don't want to play 2 bars, you can just go in with all these fingers. Some think that is too much to handle, but that is how the actual chord looks like. Anyway, that's the B and that's the last chord to handle when it comes to this song Cupid's Bow. Let's go into the verse play, and this could be a little bit tricky to start with when it comes to handling this rhythm, but yeah, don't give up on it. I had to give it some time to really get comfortable with the strumming here, because this is not your typical guitar song. That's why I thought this was cool to go into. Sometimes it's nice with a challenge. Let's go into this strumming. We're gonna start with A minor. So you're gonna play down, down, clap, down. So then you shift to E minor. You're gonna play up, up, clap, down. And then you're gonna go to C and play the same, up, up, clap, down. And then you're gonna go back to E minor and play up, up, clap, down. Okay, that part you're gonna play for 3 rounds, so slowly. That is 1 round, okay? So 3 rounds of that will be and then you have the 4th round, which is F to G switch. And what you're gonna do here is to play down, down, clap, down for 2 times on F. So, and And then you do the same for the G. Down, down, clap down for 2 times. That is the 4th round, and you just start all over again to play that for verse play. So yeah, to summarize the verse play, it's A minor to E minor to C to E minor for 3 rounds, and then on the 4th round you're gonna play F to G. That is the verse play. And the chorus play, it's nothing new there actually. You had this first 3 rounds in the verse play. You had A minor to E minor to C to E minor. That part you're going to play for 4 rounds only, and that is the chorus play. So let's go a couple of rounds of this A minor, E minor, C, and E minor. Again, somewhat in a standard tempo, and that is what you need to practice to really get comfortable with it. Let's go. Okay, so when I play this, I imagine I kind of land on the clap. So that will be A minor, down, down, clap. Then I take down, up, clap. So I kind of land on the claps, and I get some speed from the down, up, kind of climbing up to the next chord, if you imagine that. So down, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, up. So this takes some timing and to switch chords pretty fast as well. It's a little bit challenging, but anyway, that's how you handle it. Then at 1 minute and 46 seconds into the song comes the bridge part, and this is where we're going to utilize the 2 new chords, the B and the E. Now you're going to play just straight downs, okay? So you're going to play 4 downs. It will be 1 strumming round, so to speak, value of 1. So if you grab the first chord F, you're gonna play like this. Okay, that's pretty much 16 downs, but if you think as clusters of 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're just gonna use that for the other chords. You're gonna go to C next, play 4 rounds of that 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G, then B. That's the first half of it. Second half will be F again, C, G, and now E. And that is the end of the bridge. So 16 fast downs of F, C, G, B, then F, C, G, E. And that's the bridge part. Then you go back after that pause, after that bridge, and play the verse play till the very end. And that is how I handle Olly Alexander's Cupid's bow. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and till next time, play tuned.